Welcome to the another exciting video. In this video you are going to learn why your printer is not printing the PDF files and how can you fix this problem. When you start printing a PDF file and your printer starts giving you a warning blink on your printer, that means that the file you are printing cannot be printed in that format. Whenever you print a PDF file in a printer contains a specific memory to print that data. But if the PDF file is blurry, the amount of data increase. So instead of printing that file, your printer start giving you a yellow warning, a warning sign blinking. As you can see clearly in this video, this printer is giving me a warning sign light, which means the file cannot be printed. Now how to fix I will teach you how to fix your problem. There are basic two ways to fix this problem, but first understand that what kind of file you really want. If you wanted a file that is 100% clean, like you write the file by your own in the Microsoft Word, then the second method will help you. But if you want the file as it is shown in the PDF file, then the first method will help you. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna change the format of the file simply by using this method. You can use any kind of screen capture software available in your computer for this method. But if you don't have the software, you can download it from Google. The software I am using is Lightshot. I'm using the Lightshot and I am capturing the photo from the screen as you can see in the video. Go to the destination folder and set the open the image and click on the print. Set your settings or use default settings. Click on the print and it will print your image and you will get your print. But remember what I said first in the start of the video, that you will get a photocopy result, not an accurate print result. And if you require an accurate print result, for that you have to use second method. In second method you have to hire a VA that is going to write the file by himself. That way he can provide you a Microsoft Word file and you can use that file according to your needs, and there is not any kind of such software available to provide that kind of result. Okay, so this is a very simple method. I have used it, I have shown you in this video. You can check the end results, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and enjoy my next upcoming videos. Thank you.